This lesson is 12.10 on mixed measures. It's just making sure that you convert it and then add the smaller conversion. So, for example, we have number 2. 5 weeks, 3 days equals how many days? First of all, how many days are in 1 week, everybody?
7!
Oh, so good. Okay, 7. So I'm going to do 7 times 5, which is what?
35.
35 plus 3 days equals what?
38.
38 days. That's a perfect way to show your work. I can see that you know how to do that just by doing that. Okay, let's do number 6. Okay, we're going to find just the cups. So how many cups are in 1 pint? Think it and say. 2. So I can do 2 times 6, so 6 times 2. Remember to always put the bigger number on top. 6 times 2 is what? 12. Good. 12 plus 1 is what? 13 cups. Perfect. Okay, let's look at, if you just remember 8, there are how many quarts are in a gallon? How many quarts are in a gallon?
4.
Let's do it in our song. How many quarts in a gallon?
4 quarts in a gallon.
Perfect. Okay, for number 9, we're going from ounces to pounds. Now look at this one. How many ounces are in 1 pound? If you look at pound, that's a good reminder. Just think pound equals, it looks a lot like 16, doesn't it?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So can we take 10 ounces from 5 ounces? Can we do that? Yes or no? No, there's not enough. So we have to borrow the ounces from one of these pounds. We'll take it from 12. So there's 11 there. How many ounces were in 1 pound?
16.
How many, everybody?
16.
Okay, so we're going to do 16 plus the 5 that are already here. So what's 16 plus 5? 21. So this turns to 21 ounces. Okay, now can we take 10 from 21?
Yes.
Yes. So what's 21 minus 10?
11.
11. Make sure to put the ounces there. And then 11 minus 7 pounds is what? 4. So 4 pounds, 11 ounces. Okay, and we'll do one more, number 11. It says, it's a word problem, so we're going to do cube so we know what to do. Ready? And go. Michael's basketball team practiced for 2 hours, 40 minutes yesterday and 3 hours, 15 minutes today. How much longer did the team practice today than yesterday? Now, when a question asks how much more or how much longer, we know automatically that we're going to do what? Subtract. So I'm going to write my subtract sign. Okay, so we have 2 hours. We're taking 2 hours from 3 hours. So which number is going to go on top? 3 hours. So 3 hours and 15 minutes. Make sure. What do we need to do when we're writing it out to match? Perfect. We're going to line up the labels. So now we put the 2 hours and 40 minutes here. Okay, we are set. Can we take 40 from 15 minutes?
No.
No, we have to take the minutes from this hour. So how many minutes are in 1 hour? 60. So I'm going to take the minutes from that hour, and then I'm going to do 60 plus 15. What's 60 plus 15?
75.
75. So this now becomes 75. Okay, 5 minus 0 is what? 5. 7 minus 4 is what? 3. Make sure I label it. Okay, now 2 hours minus 2 hours is what? 0 hours. So my answer is 35 minutes. Okay, we've done several problems on your homework. Remember, if you did it with me, you should have a pretty good idea of how to do this. You're going to do great.